Takara is our first viewer. Can we see a picture of Takara? Now, what was Takara's general issue?
Okay, now Takara lost 100 pounds. She has,
oh my goodness.
Isn't that amazing? 100 pounds. She lost a whole nother person. Yeah.
Takara lost a person.
To me, it's like, that's fantastic. And she has never she's never worn a bikini in her life.
Ever.
Ever.
Unbelievable.
She was like, you know, she was just not in a state of mind before to wear a bikini. And now that she lost the weight, she's still kind of a little insecure. Because, I mean, that's, you know,
that's a brand new body.
Exactly.
Yes,
how do you dress when you're somebody else?
Exactly. When you're a different human being than the one you're used to.
Yeah.
Right. So can we see her now? Do you think she's ready? Takara?
Takara, are we ready?
You look all kinds of cute.
Thanks.
She knows how cute she looks. Look at her little giggly grin. Look at her. She's all like, I look cute.
First time was like just 4 million viewers and better.
Yeah, sure.
First time on TV, in a bikini on TV.
Yes.
I mean, that takes guts. That takes guts. You can buy separate pieces. This is actually separate pieces, separate bathing suits. You can actually buy a different bra, different bottoms, because it just, you're better off buying separate, and then wear it for the next, until it falls apart.
Right.
Rather than like 3 crappy suits, right?
Exactly. And do you find more and more, Paulina, more swimsuit companies are letting you buy separates?
I have noticed that there are a lot more companies do separates, which I think is a really good idea, because we are all different sizes and bottoms and like it never matches.
It never matches.
And it doesn't
hasn't matched anything since I was 12. Period.
It doesn't match on me, and I'm supposed to be a bathing suit model.
Right, and you're a bathing suit model.
Yeah, and it was still funny on me. Like, my have-to about bathing suits and about bikinis is don't focus so much on what you want to hide, focus on what you want to accentuate.
Good point. Think about the positive.
It's kind of like the French do this. Like, they're like, you know, oh, well, I like my legs, so I'm going to wear miniskirts all the time.
Right.
And, you know, and that's
whatever it is you like,
and
show
like,
that thing.
My big trick for the beach, I would project an image in my head of an image like Bo Derek, you know, running down the beach.
Right.
So every time I was like, running down the beach, I was like, Bo Derek, I'm Bo Derek, I'm Bo Derek.
I'm Bo Derek. Just project yourself.
Exactly.
So now you go to the beach and go, Paulina.
Yes, Paulina. You probably have somebody in mind, right?
Right now it's you. You said 53. This is amazing.